All right, it is CSS battle time on September 1st. We're going to start the timer and go to CSS battle. Some weird flag looking thing, STYLE. Guess ampersand selector. Looks like a repeating linear gradient, maybe two repeating linear gradients, one to make the yellow and orange lines, and then one to mask the yellow lines. And then in theory, you can flip that twice. That's my thoughts. Let's see. Let's see. So background. Gonna fall back to the orange color. And we're going to do linear gradient. Repeating linear gradient. Yellow. Orange. Just yellow and orange. That's not going to work. I don't remember how these work. 30 pixels. 0. 20 pixels. Okay. The diff just makes it more confusing, I think. Okay. This one needs to be more, which means this one needs to be more. Okay. That is the right interval. Now I need to mask the front half of that linear gradient from that color to that color. Would be 90°, and it's going to be 50% and 0. Okay, there's the top half is correct. The bottom half is not correct. Do I need this? I don't know. Let's see. Now I'm going to pick star selector for the body. And I'm going to make this also star selector so that it gets inherited. I'm going to put an outline on for a minute. 1 pixel solid. Margin 50%. Can I do that? Let's see. 0, 0, 0. Evidently, I can't do 50%. 25. I don't know why I need that. Anyway, 150 pixels. I think is what I want. Scale -1. Get rid of the outline. And there we are. That should be a match. Okay, that's a match. Now, I guess the big question, is it cheaper to do a repeating linear gradient or just to make a linear gradient that repeats? So I'll have 0 for an offset and Will that be? Zero horizontal? Or maybe, I don't know. 1 pixel, doesn't matter. And then 50 pixels. I should look at how many characters it was before. Now it's 205. That's undo. What's 204? And I save any characters. This be 0? No. Q. Now it's the same. Now it's a little less. I don't know. It's a trade-off. Anyway, that looks like about what I'm going to get. I already tried making this percent and failed. 30%, 5, 7.5. Looks like 37.5, which isn't going to save any characters. So 150. I don't know. It looks like about what I'm going to have. Can I unit replace anything else? 30 pixels is 10 VH, which is shorter. 32Q. 53Q. Oh, that one I didn't like. That one's fine at 53Q, the other one's not. Okay. Are there more spaces I can get rid of? There's one. Whoops, too much. Nope, need that. That was a quick one. I'm sure that this is not concise enough to be useful, but not a terrible solution. 145, 144. Just scanning to see if there are other characters I can get rid of. I don't see anything. So I guess that's going to be it for today. 701-ish. Not terrible. Thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow.